Beans, especially butter beans, have historically been a staple in Southern cuisine. Nothing says Southern more than a big pot of butter beans. At one time, Lake City, South Carolina, was considered the bean capital of the world. Bushels and bushels of snap beans were loaded onto rail cars and shipped to all the large northern cities. Therefore, Lake City is the home of the National Historic Bean Market Museum. Today, the Lake City area and surrounding counties are still the bean capital of South Carolina, but now instead of snap beans, butter beans have become the fresh market king. It has surprised me that the demand for fresh butter beans has remained high even in our fast food society. In many years, the demand far outweighs our production. Butter beans have become very difficult to grow in South Carolina's heat and humidity. When night temperatures stay above 75 degrees, the flowers of beans do not pollinate properly, dropping off the plant rather than setting pods. This dropping of the flowers reduces yields and limits the South Carolina bean production season to twice a year, early spring and again in the fall. We have found that seed have been produced out west for so long that they have now adapted to the west coast climate and no longer have heat tolerance. Our projects have developed strains of heat and humidity tolerant butter beans, which are in the process of being increased to seed levels that can be supplied to farmers to grow. In addition to butter beans, we are screening snap, navy, lima, great northern, light kidney, and dark kidney beans for production in our extreme climate. With the PD Research and Education Center's mission to increase diversification in South Carolina farming in mind, our goal is to increase the specialty crop industry by allowing growers to supply local and national markets with South Carolina grown beans throughout the summer months when it's normally too hot for the plants to produce beans. This project would positively impact the economy as well as allow South Carolina specialty crop growers another opportunity to increase farming operations. It makes even more sense to provide specialty crop growers access to newly developed heat and humidity tolerant beans given the proximity of a large canning facility, McCall Farms, located in the PD. McCall Farms always needs local sources of beans. In addition to increasing diversification in South Carolina farming, providing beans for the local canning facility, and positively impacting the South Carolina economy, developing beans that grow through the summer will also provide the public, especially in rural areas, with nutritious and economically feasible local specialty crops.